Report.
Hello and welcome to the Cannolo Report. I am speaking to you from Leonforte, which you can see here behind me. We are in the center of Sicily in the Erei Mountains, and this is an area, strange to say for Sicily, rich in groundwater. Leonforte is famous for its delicious broad beans and peaches. It was founded in 1610 by Prince Branciforte, who made it rich in churches and palaces, and also a fountain with 24 water jets, the Gran Fonte, the symbol of Leonforte. Let's take a nice walk to discover Sicily. Our drone flies over Cefalà Diana, giving us a clear and symbolic image of inland Sicily, a castle, invented artisans of grain, pasture and agriculture, a village between the castle and nature. Here and there you can see vegetable gardens, and below the Arab baths. Sicily at its maximum power. This is the Argimusco highland, where mysterious monolith with zoomorphic features rise imperiously. Did the wind or men create it? We are now in Campi Leontinoi, a place rich in ancient testimonies. It is said to be inhabited by the Lestrigoni, tremendous giants similar to the Cyclops. This place is huge and full of mysterious testimonies, like this underground structure. On May 11th, 1860, the Italian leader Giuseppe Garibaldi and his 1,000 soldiers landed in Marsala. Shortly thereafter, Sicily, after 2,000 years of different dominations, will pass to Italy. Ancient folk medicine, podagra or gout. Gout is the disease of the rich because it is often caused by too much meat consumption. According to the ancient Sicilians, the best way to heal from it is to take male urine and put it in the red area, and this will work for sure. The farmers are advised. In May, it is time to harvest broad beans, peas, and flax. The vineyard and the olive trees are hoed, and the hay is reaped. Pumpkins and cucumbers are planted, and artichokes are cut. The first cherries and apricots arrive. Here is the world according to Ocadius in the 5th century before Christ. This is the original version, and this is the reconstruction. American is missing. Italy always gives a kick to Sicily and way up in the north. According to the ancients, the world ended with the mythical Upper Borea, a perfect town illuminated by the bright sun for 6 months a year. And in a certain sense, he got it right, since things are really this way at those latitudes. In Sicily, as soon as you dig, some evidence of the past comes out. Here's a native of Catania who died 2,000 years ago when the Romans ruled in these parts. Gianni Zacco of the Cultural Department of Splendid Sicily and scientific director of the Natural History Museum of Comiso discovered, together with his team, that the oldest crab of all time was Sicilian, exactly from Palazzo Adriano. It is 250 million years old and is another exceptional find that took place in this extraordinary place, the Stone of Solomon. The dwarf palm has been widely used by Sicilians to make various objects, such as brooms, baskets, like this one where the crops or wood were put, or even a child, when the women returned from the fields.
Veniva usata per trasportare il raccolto della giornata e diventata una borsa, un accessorio.
This is a small version, the coffa, which today has become a fashionable women's bag.
Many people from all over the world ask us help in order to come to Sicily, to move to Sicily, to buy a house in Sicily. Okay, our advice is to contact www.sicilyrealty.com, a consortium of renowned Sicilians who will help you to find the better solution in order to move to our island.
Here we are at Rocca di Mietre, or the Rocca di Demetra, because here stood a temple of the goddess of fertility, particularly venerated in this area of Sicily. The ancient peoples that lived here worshipped the goddess with gifts and prayers. It is a secret place, never profaned, not even in the 17th century when it was thought of the construction of a military structure, but was never realized out of respect for the powerful goddess. Next week in Sicily, weather forecast mostly sunny. Coastal temperatures average high 24, average low 16. The sun rises around 5:30 a.m. and sets around 8 p.m. And let's see what this land and this sea, blessed by the sun and wealth, offers us. The fruit vendor has just picked up zucchinis, pears, broccoli, eggplants, peppers, cauliflowers, apples, artichokes, tomatoes, broad beans, and peas. The fish vendor displays fresh fish from the Mediterranean Sea. Swordfish at 25 euros per kilo, mussels, squid, clams, the typical pink shrimp, mullets, amberjacks, and lots of bluefish at around 15 euros per kilo. And let's come to the feast in Sicily, an island where you never miss an opportunity to leave the houses and celebrate something or someone, and to eat and to observe and enjoy the true insight into Sicilian culture and customs. In this period, unfortunately, not much is celebrated. We are waiting for better times that will apparently come soon.
E per concludere il Cannolo
And to conclude with the Cannolo Report, a greeting from my home, here in Leonforte. You will not believe it, but this house is located right in the Cannolo district. Goodbye, everybody.
Arrivederci a tutti.
We give you the big opportunity to become a Sicilian. We give you the keys of Sicily. Join us, join Splendid Sicily, join the biggest cultural project focusing on Sicily. Join us, become a Sicilian.